Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial today I'm going to show you how to actually set a spawn point in LEGO Fortnite. Now it's very easy. The first thing that you want to do is simply gather a lot of materials, so gather a lot of wood, and from there you press Q. Now this will open up the utility map, the crafts menu, and from here we go to builds. Now from there we build a simple shack like so. And we start your build. Now we need the remaining parts, so simply press it, connect it to the given parts, and what you will do next is build a shack wall. And here we need to build a foundation, and the stage 1 has been complete. Now from there we need to finish all the stages, so I'll be right back with you. And as you can see, the build has been complete, the simple shack. Now what this will do, it will unlock the bed inside your building menu. So simply press Q and it will open up this furniture tab. Now from there we press it, and as you can see, it will open up the bed. Now what you do is you simply gather a lot more wood, because you need 10 more wood. And once I get it, I'll be right back with you. Now as you can see, I gathered enough wood, so from here we can press the bed and we can place it wherever we want in our shack. And here we can assign our bed to, and as you can see, you can make it your own bed. And from here you set a spawning point in LEGO Fortnite and you won't spawn randomly anymore. Now that's everything. If you still get any questions regarding this tutorial, please leave it in the comments down below. I'll try my very best to help you. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.